Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Piatek from Coley at Canisius. In this tutorial we will be updating the closed captions for Panopto video. Closed captions that are accurate are important not only because it is the law, but also because some of our students may find them helpful. To get started, go to Panopto. If you are updating a video that you have already uploaded to a course, click on the Panopto link in the course navbar. I will be updating a short video that I made previously. While the captions for the video I am showcasing are not the best, you can turn on the captions for the video you are currently watching to see best practice captions. Hover over the video and click on Edit. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Captions. Panopto is currently set up to provide automatically generated closed captions. You can see, however, that it is not 100% correct. To edit a caption, click on the caption text. Then make your edits. To preview your captions, you need to turn them on. To do that, click on the Closed Captions button next to the Speed button in the lower right corner. If needed, you can also update the timing of the caption by clicking on the 3 vertical dots. Then click on Edit. To the nearest half second will be fine. Now that we know how to edit our captions, here are some best practices and tips. As a general rule of thumb, you should have at most 2 lines of captions on the screen at a time, and each line should have at most 30 to 32 characters per line. Captions must be word for word. Sentences should be on a new line, and, if you absolutely need to, break sentences at a logical phrase. Any sounds that are important to understanding what is happening in your video should have opening and closing brackets, with a brief description of the sound in between. If you notice any long periods of time that you are not talking, you may want to note that. Additionally, if any filler words like made it into your captions, remove them unless they need to be there. Finally, editing captions is a long and tedious process. To alleviate this, create and follow closely a transcript of what you plan to say and do. Specifically, focus on the videos you will use the next time you teach this course. You may also find it easier to edit captions by breaking videos into chunks at natural breakpoints. If you find that you are unable to keep up with editing your captions for your lectures, and you have a student that is hard of hearing, contact the Office of Student Accessibility and Support. They may have resources to help you with your videos. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.